What we at Beverage Scouts can do for you. Product development. In our in-house laboratory, we create recipes for beverages and liquid food supplements in accordance with your requirements and specifications. Filling under laboratory conditions. From 1000 units or more, we are able to fill all beverage can formats on our micro facility under special laboratory conditions. On request, the cans can also be sleeved with your layout after filling. Filling of beverage cans. In a fully automatic operation, aluminum beverage cans from 150 ml to 500 ml are filled with a capacity of 40,000 cans per hour. We can manage still, carbonated and also alcoholic drinks with no problem at all. The filled cans can be packed in trays of 12 or 24, and we also offer the option of 4 or 6 unit foil packs. Beverage can sleevers or stickers. Our brand new sleeve applicator allows us to add full body sleeves to blank beverage cans of any size, either supplied or filled by us. You will be impressed by the results. If required, we are also able to add additional stickers to ready printed beverage cans. Liquid food supplement filling. On our shot filling facility, we are able to fill 60 ml PET bottles with liquid food supplements. The bottles can either be labeled or a full body sleeve can be added. After filling, the bottles are either packed into counter displays or any other external packaging of your choice. Please contact us. We look forward to your inquiry.